Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all those who are watching the video. Yes, dear student, earlier we have learned voices and today we'll start a learning narration. Our topic is narration. So what is narration? As from the word narration, you can infer that this is something that tells you how to narrate something. Narration is the way how to narrate something. Let me tell you or explain it to you by giving an example of reading any story. When you read any story, you will have two types of narration or the ways of narrating something. There is direct narration, or you can say direct speech, and indirect narration or indirect speech. Suppose there is a story and you are reading the story, and in the story that there was a king who was living with his daughter. Once he asked his daughter whether she loves him or his wealth. She replied, "Of course, my father, I love you." So here to see, someone is narrating you, and we are having two ways of narrating something. In first part, someone is telling you about what the king asked to his daughter. And in second sentence, what his daughter replied was the answer she has given. Exact wording of the princess of the king's daughter is written here. But in first sentence, narrating and indirectly tells you about what the king asked his daughter. So in this way, in any novel, any story, you will have two types of ways of narrating something. This one is indirect because here indirectly we are indirectly telling you about the speaker's word, and in second sentence we are giving the direct quotation, direct wordings of the speaker. So that is direct speech. How you come to know what was the way of writing the direct speech or indirect speech? You came to know that we have two ways or two narration, that is direct speech and direct narration, or indirect speech, indirect narration. Let's see the example. Suppose he says to me, "I am your friend." He is the speaker here, and to whom he is saying? To me. And what he is saying? He is telling me that he is my friend, but "I am your friend" is the exact wording of the speaker, he. Here we have, because it is the direct wording, exact quotation of the speaker, that's why it is our direct narration, direct speech. We have indirect speech two parts. The first one is known as reporting verb. In reporting verb, we have the speaker and the person to whom the speaker is telling or saying something. And in second part, we have the wording of the speaker. And this part is known as reported speech because we have the wordings here. That's why it's known as speech. In direct speech, wordings of the speaker must be written in inverted commas. It means reported speech must be in inverted commas, as I have shown in here. And that part in which we are having the speaker and the person to whom the speaker is telling something, this two part must be separated by inserting a comma. This is the identification of direct narration. We have two parts, and these two parts get separated by means of inserting comma, and wordings of the speaker must be written in inverted commas. How you will change it into indirect speech? Whenever you change the direct speech into indirect, it will become a simple statement. Whatever the kind of sentence is here, whether it is question or whatsoever, it must be converted into a simple statement when you change it into indirect speech. Now, how you will change it? There will be no change it here because he is the speaker. You will write it he. He is telling you something. Then you will say is mostly converted into tells whenever you have any object. Me is object here. We are very well known about the subject and object as we have done it in voices. He is the subject here because he is the doer. He is doing something, and what he is doing, he is saying something or he says something. And to whom he is saying? To me. So me is object here. Whenever you have object, you will change the same into tell. He tells me, and what he is telling, I am your friend. Now, because we are going to change it into indirectly we are telling that giving the sentence, then we will connect these two parts by adding the word that, and we will remove comma and inverted commas, and then I will tell what he is saying. He is my friend. What he tells me, that he is my friend. So it becomes indirect speech. Let's see the removal of comma and inverted commas. In indirect speech, there will be no comma and inverted comma, and we will change the pronoun according to the relation of the speaker and to whom he is saying something. Here he is telling me, then it will become, I will change it into me. There is a formula for changing the pronoun from direct speech into indirect speech. Let me tell you in the next video how you will change the pronouns when you change it into direct speech into indirect speech. But must clear that there will be no comma and inverted commas in indirect speech. It will be a simple statement, no matter whatever the kind of sentence is here. So let's see the next video how to change the pronoun.